them, I make it stay. You know how much time me and him vex? I never come go on a hint. I'm gonna block him. I just keep it cool. But me pissed off last night, and then me don't know what him have going on pan Fame Live, you know. And then all of a sudden, no, one night, me over here chill with my people, them. All of them over mix up page. Me catch some of my sensation, them over drama, comment with my big old logo. When I look them over Javi Live, them over at the live, then they all about the place and them a giggle. I'm a clutch by myself and I chill. Now, why as the people them end for them live, uno feel like uno need to come pack up my live. Uno don't ever pop my live and I say good night or start a conversation. Uno come over here tell me for call him. Before him did in him depression state or whatever problem him have. Uno and him did over there smile. Uno and him did over there smile and have a jolly time though. So why now when him start vent to uno and him so-called sad or what threaten him or whatever and him feel for come off, why uno feel for come join my live and I come tell me check on him? Why uno no go text him and check? Me no want hear about him. Me no want hear about him. No. Me no know if uno no know. So when a man start having woman them, notice any, I'm tell you something with female. Me can't speak for myself. Me can't speak for uno. You see, if me reach a point in my life where me have two men already, and me rate the two of them, one of them start give me more vibes. Me start straight from the next one to stay to the one I'm like. It's natural. You don't care how much money the other one have. You don't care how much views the other one have. Any one of them where you like more, or the one there where you can fuck more, because remember me they are fired, you know. So that one day know you have to try give that one day you all because that one day in your present. So you have to make sure she get fair calls them or text them. She have to come over. You have to offer your life certain hours so she can get fair attention and the night is just the truth. And this is why the communication start cut because you have your girl down there. And remember you now go fuck the local Jamaican them will go care back your name. So you have to go for the little Spanish girl them, the little American girl them, the little Colombian girl them. Anyway you find them, you get them. So when you have them a yard now, them not go click live for you. Them not go come text me because they don't know me. And that's why you don't mess around the little Jamaican them. Because you don't know them are go screen record, you don't know them are go text and show messages. I know them all click live. You did also know say. Me hear somebody, me see somebody in the comments say, oh, I don't think Javi will be so stupid for have girl in a something there because them know them are going to put them out. I wonder if you don't know say a man is a pretender and a liar. I want to go feet. I wonder if you don't know say a man can go up on the road and the man and girl walk like them a bestie where the two of them a grind. How would you send me again? Not even a regular page. Excuse me. Oh yeah, so she said. Alright, boom. Alright, hold on. Let me show that. Let me show the other one first. This a mama. Notice how she alone a walk in a supermarket, you know. Notice how she alone a walk in a supermarket because him know say if him and her walk, somebody might record them. So, Mama block you. Uno know say if him and her walk in the supermarket, even though uno did get record, but you don't want nobody see her walk ground to ground. So wait now, move. Wait. I don't want the girl TikTok show. See the girl there? Right there, so. Well, I don't want the girl TikTok show. This is him now. Why you and her go supermarket and no walk separately? Wait. See him there? I walk go down there, so. Why you are in a supermarket and you walk separately? When no man go supermarket, guys, no kiki clock side of each other, especially in Jamaica. Why you need to go for something around this and she go for something around a one part? No, you not go walk together because you two want to go shop. But remember good, you know, want a body video, you and Nara walk together so she have to look like she do the shopping while you gone somewhere else. Alright. Well, the same video that. Wait. I fuck it if you see her TikTok. You can't do her nothing. And anybody this her the girl will send me black them. Alright. This. She walk off like she don't know him. See him right there saying back with. What are we your friend now and your mouth of this she feed you with chips? Why it cut out this? See her there? See she eat the snacks? Watch him now. She go feed him with it now. Yeah. You're not alone. But you keep on a step for and you're not go shopping. So what you gonna say about this now, Javi? Are your friend too? Are your friend this too? Are your friend a fuck her too? Cause remember the last time you said your friend did it with the girl. Are your friend this too? See her there? See them in the supermarket? Are you not alone? And that same girl there, me hear from good source from last night, somebody tell me say, you got party last night and that same girl that did at the party last night. And I never party, you tell me say you go last night. You tell me say, are your friend 9 night? You show me say you got your friend 9 night. This is the last, me don't know if this is the last night or when. You just show me one video. You just show me one video about your friend 9 night. But me get other things, say you go out last night with the same girl. And I pretty don't know say, one girl, you send me one picture one time, another same girl in another picture. And the same girl there in another picture there. And you see person will tell me that I want to bonafide gift. I'm not going to call her name. You thirsty now? Let me